What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing phenomenal. I am for sure doing great, just because I mean it's a beautiful sunny day here in sunny Carolina. And I also got a phone call from my wheel guy, tire guy, and he's like, Andre, the rim showed up, the tire's here, and I'm gonna put 1 and 2 together and I'll give you a package, well, a full set, just one tire with rim, so I could mount on the back of my rig on the Chassis Unlimited bumper. And I was like, awesome. So I took a little bit of time off from work and got off early today, and now I'm actually heading over to him to get this thing mounted. I've been waiting for a long time. I really want to get onto some big boy trails and enjoy it. So a little bit of what I'm getting is I'm getting an all-terrain KO2 tire, and reason why I went with a KO2 just because they've been in production for such a long time. They're reliable tire. A lot of people use them. A lot of rigs as big as mine, majority of them, they will use it. But there's also other brands. Toya makes a good tire, Mickey Thompson, Nito tires. I mean, I could go on with literally all different brands, but I just, my personal preference is the KO2s, and that's the reason why I went with them. Right now I currently have the mud terrains for the from the Mickey Thompson, and it's the size is 37 by 12.5 by 20. That's the rim size that I have, and it's the black Rhino Armory wheels, and that's also what I'm getting on the bumper. So we're gonna be there in a few minutes. Once I pull over, I'll show you guys the shop. It's a really reliable shop here up in upstate South Carolina in Spartanburg, South Heron Circle. I'll definitely I'll send you guys a link at the very bottom. You guys will see. He's a cool shop. If you guys are ever in town and need some tire repair, definitely reach out to Eddy's Tire. So that's all I gotta tell you guys. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it. So here I am. Let's go take a look. Oh man, that's a big jump for me. All right, Eddy's outer repair. This guy has it all. Beautiful here in South Carolina. It's about 75 degrees. It's phenomenal outside today. Kind of windy, but hey, whatever. Let's go find Eddy where he's at. Probably got something going on. So now we have this bracket right here. This bracket's gonna go somewhere right here. I just gotta make sure the tire actually fits just right, so where it doesn't block the camera. I don't think it will. It's gonna go on the right hand side. There's nuts and bolts, and then eventually I'll get in the pods and everything else in between. Oh, this is the shop. Alright, we're gonna go up. We're gonna get a view on how we're gonna do this, how we're gonna mount this, get a better understanding. There we go. Pretty cool system. Okay, there we go. There's this big boy right here. All-terrain KO2. And this 37 12.5 by 20. Baja Champion. Oh yeah. That's an awesome machine right there. how it looks like now. Nice and tight fit. Has room back here. Store your drinks in here, whatever you want to store. So I am pretty excited. This is phenomenal.